Number 23. Two models are shaded to represent the same fraction, 5/9. Which equation shows the models represent the same fraction? Okay, so we've done one similar to this earlier in the packet. We have to figure out which equation makes sense. And you have to look at these different shadings to know what two fractions to look for. So we know that both of these show 5/9. The light colored shaded for the first model is 3 out of 9. 1, 2, 3 out of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The dark shaded one is 2 out of 9 because our pieces don't ever change. The denominator is always going to stay the same. So really this is saying on that first model, 3/9 plus 2/9 equals 5/9, right? Now, the second model, it has one light colored, one light shade, so 1 out of 9, and then the dark colors has 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 9. So this model is saying 1/9 plus 4/9 equals 5/9. And that's true because 1 plus 4 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, if I were to take off this 5/9 and I were just to say this expression is equal to this expression, that would still make sense. So now we have to look at our answer choices and see which one matches what we've already figured out. A says 3/5 plus 2/5 equals 1/5 plus 4/5. They didn't count all of the pieces. They just looked at how many were shaded. That's wrong because the denominator is how many total pieces there are in the whole shape. So that's wrong. B says 3/5 plus 2/9, 3/5 plus 2/9 equals 1/9 plus 5/9. That's wrong because the darker shade is only 4. That's wrong. C says 3/9 plus 2/9 equals 1/9 plus 4/9. That could be correct because it looks exactly like ours. And 1/3 plus 1/2, that can't be right because they're just looking at they're making the shaded part the denominator, and that's wrong. We know that our denominator is 9. So our correct answer is C. Very good.